Welcome, bright young minds! Today we'll learn the do's and don'ts of taking care of your trusty Chromebook. Let's dive in. Meet Sally. Wave hi, Sally! And this is Sally's Chromebook. Slow down there, Sally! When carrying your Chromebook, be sure to always use two hands. That's right, two hands. This keeps it safe and sound. You should never drop your Chromebook on the floor or on your desk. Hold it right there. Never remove asset tags or labels. They help your school keep track of your Chromebooks. Well done. Now let's open it and see what's inside. Oh no, Sally! Don't pick at the keys. Chromebooks aren't toys, and removing the keys can damage your Chromebook, making it really hard to type. Maybe you should write this down. Whoa, cowgirl! Don't mark your Chromebook with pencils, markers, paint, glue, stickers, or tape. Remember, a clean Chromebook is a happy Chromebook. Danger, Sally! Never insert objects into the Chromebook ports. It could be dangerous. Only the charger and accessories provided by your teacher are allowed. I think that's enough learning for today. Let's put your Chromebook into its charger. This is a Chromebook charging cart. This is where your Chromebooks charge and stay secure in your classroom. Let's put it back in its place. Gently slide the Chromebook into the charging slot with the charging port facing you. Move away any cables and debris that might be in the way. Find the charger for your Chromebook, plug in the charger until you feel a click. When you unplug it, always grab the rubber grip next to the Chromebook. Never yank the cable. Take good care of your Chromebook and it'll take good care of you. Thanks for doing your part, and happy learning, boys and girls!